I'm going to show you what a week 3 beard routine will look like with this beard care system. With that said, let's get right into it. What's going on, world? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. On this episode, I'm going to demonstrate what does a week 3 beard routine look like for healthier beard, for stronger beard, and so that way it helps to support more growth. And we're going to be doing the entire routine from the beard wash. We're going to show you the beard conditioner, which is a rinse beard conditioner, the beard hydrator, which is going to add moisture to the beard. We're going to use the serum, the beard oil, as well as we're going to use the beard balm, which is more like a butter balm that's going to help with locking in the moisture and so forth. So this is going to help support growth. This is going to keep your beard shiny. This is going to keep your beard hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, so you can go on and having a high performing day, because at the end of the day, when you look amazing, you feel amazing. And when you feel amazing, you perform amazing. So let's go ahead and get right into this beard routine. Well, I hope these tools help you on your journey. We put these collection tools together intentionally because it's been proven to serve men who are looking to grow healthier beards. And so you'll see a link down in the description. And like always, please watch our previous episode and be on the lookout for our next episode. And until then, I'll see you guys soon. As always, this is your boy B, and you already know.